Attention please. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Risk it or regret it. The word impossible itself says I am possible. To get this human birth, it is like so difficult. To win a lottery is like much easier. But as to get this human birth, it takes like 1:400 trillion years. Now we have a choice. Either we have to regret it or like cherish it. Everyone has problem. It doesn't matter who the person is. We have to go through painful situations. We have to cry at the same time. There'll be like lot of sorrows. Whereas on the other hand, there is lot of happiness, abundance, so many things. Now you are the sole person who are responsible for your life. See, to get what you want, you have to deserve what you want. The world is not so good enough to reward all the people. Either now it's your choice to become a high performer, mediocre performer, or like low performer. You just have to go all in, because there is no life without risk. All great, super successful people have risked their entire life to achieve that great things. See, as I had read like Shakespeare when I was in school, right? A coward dies multiple times again and again, thinking everything is like fear. Everything he tries to touch something, he gets fear. Oh, I must not do it. He goes and touches and he gets the fear. Oh, I must not do it. And don't be a coward. Be a valiant. Valiant dies only once. Go all in. Because see, in front of death, all the fear, the pride, embarrassment, what other people think, everything will like fade off. Like you just have to remember one thing. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way to avoid the trap of thinking what other people will think. That's what I learned from Steve Jobs. As Steve Jobs also said, now it's all like your choice. Either you can win it or like regret it. Even in gym, people tell, no pain.
No pain, no gain.
You just have to go through the pain. Only then like you'll be able to cherish it. Remember, like you can achieve anything. And the number one thing what I'm telling you is come out of your comfort zone. Don't listen to everyone and anyone, because 80% is always wrong. I can prove it over and over and over again. Just listen to your intuition and gut. Like what is that one thing which you're really good at, and go all in. And take decisions quickly. Don't overthink. Take decisions within 20 seconds. And there'll be always naysayers, like negative people who will tell you you can't do it, you are not fit for that, come back to your previous version. Don't listen. Just be going, and like we are the best people on the planet. See, what's the difference between a horse, pig and a human being? Everything is a living being, an animal, right? But you are the humans, you are the super humans, and you can achieve so many things in life. And that's why I'll tell you, go all in. Like you will be able to change so many people's lives, and like you can help a lot of people to make a world a better place to live. Always make sure that like you risk your entire life to achieve what you want to achieve, because you just have two choices. And don't have a life with regrets. Always have a life of a great fulfillment. And see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.